Hello. Coaching is an evolving profession as well as industry. There are more and more number of people who are understanding the importance of having a coach for themselves. At the same time, there is also a huge number who still do not understand why they must have a coach. In this video, I am making an attempt to help you understand why you must have a coach, what is it that you can accomplish when you are associated with a coach. And perhaps that will help you to take a decision to connect with a coach and make your life much better than what it is. Let us start and find out what is it that can happen when you are associated with a coach. The first and the fundamental point is self-discovery. When you connect with a coach and the kind of conversations that you have with him or her, you start to understand yourself much better. What are your values? What are your beliefs? What are your aspirations and goals? What are the feelings that you nurture? And all this understanding ultimately helps you to start making better choices and keep on creating better personal as well as professional life. So first point, which is very important in my understanding, is self-discovery. The next important point is remove internal blocks. When it comes to starting a journey towards goals and aspirations, what is commonly experienced is that there is some internal block or internal challenge that a person is facing that either stops him or her from taking an action or stops that person from taking a consistent action. And that is what starts leading to a lot of frustration. When you are having a conversation with a coach, you start becoming aware of what are the precise challenges that you are facing which are coming in your way. And then that conversation further leads to finding a resolution, finding a solution towards overcoming those challenges. So second important point is remove internal blocks. The next important point is scale new heights. Everyone has an aspiration to grow, but at times people do not really know what is the potential that they are carrying inside and what are the goals they can achieve. When coaching conversation starts, one of the obvious questions that comes up is what is the next goal that you would like to achieve? And that conversation ultimately proceeds towards what are the actions that you would like to take. And after the process gets over, you actually start taking an action. And as you start adding up those actions, you notice that over a period of time, what are the kind of accomplishments that you have created for yourself. So coaching helps you to keep on rising on an ongoing basis. The next point is receive objective feedback. Feedback is a very powerful tool for any person to keep on growing. Many times we do not really know ourselves, but the world is observing us, the world is noticing us, and that observation becomes a source of feedback. When you start a conversation with a coach, one point that comes up in conversation is what is it that you have accomplished from the previous session till now? And through the interaction, a coach is able to understand where you have done well and what are some of the areas which need improvement. And coach, because he wants you to improve, you to accomplish more, is able to give you very objective feedback so that you can make requisite changes in your actions that you have been taking and keep on becoming better and better. The next point is gain knowledge. Coach is generally an experienced person, and that experience can come handy for you to gain some knowledge. Coaching is not really a process of imparting knowledge, but informal conversations that you have with a coach can become a source of acquiring knowledge which can benefit you in so many other ways. So gain knowledge. The next point is get clarity and find your own answers. You will agree with me that there are a lot of confusions that continue to go on in our minds. And because of those confusions, we are not able to take decisions. We continue to postpone decisions. And when decisions are not taken, obviously, there are hardly actions to support them, to match them. That is why coaching helps you to get clarity. In the process of coaching, a coach continues to ask you quality questions, one after the other. And every question leads to further clarity in your mind. And ultimately, in the process of coaching, you arrive at what is it that you need to do? What is the action that you need to take? And those are your own answers. And that's why you own them up rather than being dictated by anyone else. That is one of the most beautiful parts of coaching process, that you keep on getting clarity and find and discover your own answers, which will help you to continue to rise and shine. The next important point is action and accountability. Coaching is ultimately a process which leads you to an action. If you are not able to take an action based on the process of coaching, perhaps coaching will be meaningless. In fact, let me put it another way. It is that if you are not able to take an action, it gives an opportunity for a coach to understand what is stopping you from taking an action. Go back to one of the previous points that I mentioned where we were discussing about discover internal blocks. Find out what are your internal blocks. So you take an action so that you continue to move ahead. And the process of coaching also involves having an accountability partner. At times, the coach himself or herself can be your accountability partner, or coach can encourage you to find an accountability partner who will have the right to check with you whether you are taking actions as promised or not. And this accountability system helps you to become more committed towards the actions that you need to take to move towards the goal that you want to achieve. The next point is get a sounding board. What it means is that you may be having lots of ideas. You may be thinking of taking some actions which you are not too sure about. But when you start articulating it with another person who has experience, who has knowledge, who has understanding, who has lots of questions in his mind, that's when you understand what is it that needs to be reshaped in the idea that you are carrying. What is it that needs to be refined in that idea before putting it into an action? Because of the experience that you get from the coach, you are able to make improvements in your own idea before taking action, before actually putting into implementation, before putting lots of resources at stake. And that is what helps you to really accomplish what you want to do. The last thought that I'm sharing is want more meaning out of your life. We all want to live a life with a purpose, but perhaps we do not know what is the purpose. We are not connected with it, even though it is hidden within us. A coach with the expertise of asking quality questions helps you to get connected with purpose, and not only that, helps you to translate that into actions that you can take so that you start deriving meaning out of life that you are living. You start having a sense of fulfillment, a sense of accomplishment, and a sense of meaning. This is one of the very important points that a coach can help you to get connected with. All thoughts that I've shared with you today are benefits that you can draw when you start engaging with a coach. That is why I very strongly recommend that you must find a coach for yourself, stay connected with him or her so that you start accomplishing much more, you start living up to your potential, you start living a meaningful life. I wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in my